If you'd like to see how I'm going to completely transform this plain Converse into this rhinestone and pearl embellished Converse shoe, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube, so today in this video I am going to be adding some rhinestone embellishments and some pearls to these cute little kid size 10 high top Converse. So they're very plain. They're for a little girl that's turning 4 years old, and her dress has some pretty pastel colors in them in her dress. So I'm just going to go with that theme on these shoes. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to start with the first shoe, and I've already picked out my colors here. These are the pastel pearls I'm going to be using. I'm going to add some white pearls as well. And I have these pearls I'll be using on the sides. I mean, these rhinestones, clear AB. Then I have some glass I'll use on the toe area. And then I have some other pastel color rhinestones here as well. A new glue I'm just starting to work with. In a previous video I did use it. I'm still getting to know it. One of my subscribers suggested this glue to me in my comment section one day. I'm not even exactly sure which video comment that was, because I would mention her, but girl, if you're watching, I got my one dot not a lot craft glue. It says that it's stronghold, and it says right on here that it's non-toxic, no odor, and dries clear. This bottle is 3.58 ounces. It's 3.85 ounces, and it was about $15. So far, I like it. I put it in this little bottle. This is a precision tip bottle, and it has a milky consistency to it. I like, well, I really like Liquid Fusion, but I'm just trying to try other glues also. I like a clear glue, but this does dry clear, but while you're working with it, it's kind of like white in between the rhinestones, so you just have to kind of trust the process. But I don't really care for the whiteness, but it's not as white and creamy as Gem TAC. Oh my gosh, that Gem TAC is going to be at the bottom of my list because of that, but it dries clear as well. So one day I'll just do a video comparing all three. And then I used to use E6000. If you use E6000, that works good too. I used that for many years. I just prefer something that does not have that harsh smell and give you headaches and make you feel nauseous. It's just too toxic for me. So I'm trying out more non-toxic glues, and if you know of any others, let me know. I'll grab it and try it out. So let's just go ahead and get started. This area right here, I just like to wipe the whole thing off. But where I'm adding rhinestones, I'm gonna take the shoelaces out just so they're not in my way. I know some people like to use ribbon. I don't really care for the ribbon look. I mean, it's cool and all, but I really prefer a shoestring, because when you're tying up a shoe, I don't want to tie my shoe with a flimsy ribbon. I know it looks a little more dainty and cute, but you know, everyone has their own preference. So I like to start with the toe area. Okay, and I'm going to be using SS12, which is like a 3mm on the toe, as well as a SS20, which is like a 5mm. So I'm gonna just mix and match both of these on the toe area, because I want that to be extra sparkly. And then the rest I'll work in the pastel colors. You'll also need some type of rhinestone pickup tool to carry these as well. They're actually on the way and should be arriving any day now. So eventually I will have these for sale. It's just a wax pickup tool, so you can pick up your rhinestones or your pearls. They work better with rhinestones because the pearls are so big, it's hard to pick them up sometimes. So I'm going to get started with the way I like to do it. Is I go like a smile. That's what I like to do. Some people go left to right. I don't like that. I feel like they lay better for me. when I just follow the curve. And that's just my preference. Make them nice and tight. So there's not any like big spaces in between. It just looks better and it just makes more sense. So just continue to watch how I add these. Okay, so I'm just finishing up the toe area with these glass crystals, SS12 and SS20. So I'm just finishing this area up right here. Make sure everything is nice and tight. Now here you see I like to add nice big globs of glue for those pearls. Those pearls take a little bit more glue because look how big they are. I'm working with 8 and 10 and maybe some 12 millimeters. No, I think just 10 is the biggest I have. And these colors are like so super cute and bright. I did this side, now I'm working on the inside. So you just keep on spreading those out and the shoe is almost complete. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished results. I think these shoes look absolutely amazing. They're so bright, they're so pretty, they're just so fun. And they match the dress of the little girl that these were for. Again, she was turning 4 years old and she absolutely loved them. So these do make great gifts if you want your child to wear these for their birthday or a nice gift or with their Easter dress, however, or just something just for every day. Also, another great thing, this will make a cute Christmas gift as well. So try your hand at making something like this for your daughter or your granddaughter or niece. Thank you guys for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Share it on Facebook if you can. And if you don't subscribe, thanks for stopping by. Bye-bye.